Social virtual reality (VR) experiences allow users to interact with others in a simulated environment, providing a sense of presence and immersion. Virtual reality (VR) technology has seen significant advancements in recent years, with the introduction of more immersive headsets and innovative content. Companies are now pushing the boundaries of realism and interactivity, creating truly captivating virtual experiences for users. The advancements in social interaction within VR environments have revolutionized the way people connect and communicate in virtual spaces. With the integration of realistic avatars, spatial audio, and interactive environments, users can now engage in meaningful social experiences within the digital realm. The emerging trend of social VR experiences is revolutionizing the way people connect and interact in virtual spaces. With the integration of advanced technology and immersive environments, users can now engage in social activities such as virtual meetups, concerts, and collaborative gaming experiences. Virtual reality (VR) has revolutionized social interaction and communication by immersing users in interactive and engaging virtual environments. It allows people to interact with each other in virtual spaces, regardless of their physical location. The challenges in social VR development include creating realistic avatars, managing server loads for a large number of simultaneous users, and ensuring a seamless and immersive experience for all participants. User experiences and feedback in social VR environments have shown a significant impact on engagement and interaction within virtual spaces. Users report heightened feelings of presence and connection with others, leading to more immersive and enjoyable experiences. As social VR technology continues to advance, we can expect to see more realistic and immersive virtual environments that foster deeper social connections. Users may be able to interact in virtual spaces that mimic real-life settings, such as restaurants, parks, and offices, providing new opportunities for socializing and collaboration.